Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn John Deere Service Advisor, the official service software for Deere equipment. Tractors, combines, and construction machines all speak its language. Connect through the electronic data link adapter. Service Advisor identifies the machine and finds every controller on board, from engine to armrest. Read Diagnostic Trouble Codes across all systems, each with clear descriptions. The machine history shows patterns, one-time events versus chronic problems that need real fixes. Readings show live sensor data, engine, hydraulics, and transmission together. Compare values against specification while the machine works. Farming seasons do not wait for slow diagnostics. Interactive tests command components while you watch the response. Cycle solenoids, test sensors, and isolate faults quickly, without disassembling half the machine first. After repairs, run the matching calibrations, transmission clutches, hitch position, and more. Guided procedures keep it consistent, and the machine performs like it left the factory. Tips for the season. Run health checks before planting and harvest, not during. Update software in the off-season. And document every session for warranty and resale value. That is John Deere Service Advisor in the field. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.